it's She. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, we are going to be going thrifting. I'm going to be going to all the CHKD thrift stores today. On Tuesday, they do 25% off of anything that you buy in the store, your entire purchase. So right now, I'm just looking for my keys, y'all, so I can put these AirPods in, because y'all know my sound on my phone be freaking raggedy, and I don't want you guys to have to suffer through that today.
Just tie your bag.
Oh, okay. To do this just check outside and see it. So I just see this ironing board. The colors really stood out to me, but it's just a cover. They want $6.98 for it. But that's cool. I tend to stay away from the holiday stuff. Holiday stuff for me has not been a good seller. I don't know why some people are able to sell it and some people aren't, and I'm just one of the ones that aren't. I like that bird cage. Look at these candlestick holders. I need to get a cart. Well, that's what we'll do. We'll get a cart. I thought were cute. They want $6.98 for each one. But how can you get these be painted white? So I'm gonna get both. I want $4.98 for this one, but these are cute. I always pick up little stuff like this because this says made in the US, so it's probably not really worth anything. But they're just cute and dainty. I'll my thrift bag one today. With just my card wallet. And so I just let you pick up this bowl, and then like, it's so pretty. It's got techno, vintage, blah blah blah. Look at this. They want $49 for that. And that's because somebody already put that sticker on it, but it is beautiful. Like, look at this. That is gorgeous. I would not pay $50 for it, but it's absolutely beautiful. Something like that. So guys, I found one. They want $6.99 for it. It's a size 34D, which I think is actually my size, and it's a workout bra.
Do you know if there's dressing rooms in here?
No, not this one.
There's not? Okay.
No, and all of them are closed right now. Like,
oh, because of the COVID. Okay.
It sucks. I know.
God. Okay.
But you got the right shirt on. I would just try it over that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
It's a Victoria's Secret, so we're gonna get this one. These are cute. I used to grab stuff like this, but nowadays I don't feel like there's much profit in it, so I don't anymore. But something like this would be really cute, just painted. You know, put candles in it. Even if you painted it gold or something on the side of your bed, like, wouldn't that be nice? Alright guys, we're going to another CHKD thrift store. I don't usually have like a ton of luck with these stores, but I'm pretty optimistic we'll find something. Plus I'm happy I'm getting my walking steps in since I didn't make it to the gym this morning. No mirrors.
Make sure nobody touches that. You can put it away, but customers.
Oh, cowboy boots. Cowboy boots. These are $6.98. 8M. These are like kind of on cheaper ends. They probably won't do great. But look at these Timbs. Timberland boots. $24. 25% off. I hate that the thrift store be taxing now. This is why I usually don't even bother with this thrift store, because usually it's just a bunch of like old junk. Especially in my neighborhood for some reason. I don't know if people out here just don't have good stuff to write. Some This has a furniture cover over it. A stain that can be cleaned off. Just a water stain, it looks like. $25 for this. That could potentially be a good buy because the leg is loose, but it probably can be glued or screwed in place. And then that stain could be cleaned off, and this chair could go for about $75. So guys, I'm in the Goodwill right now. It's in like a really nice area of town, and I was not gonna record at all. But I was like, I already had made a purchase, and then something was like, go back over there and look in the bra section. So guys, these are all the bras that I got right now for resale. All of these are Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret bras have been doing really, really good on Facebook Marketplace. I started listing them together, like they're $2.99 at Goodwill. And then what I do is like when I find the same sizes, I take pictures of them together and do like a bundle deal. So like 2 bras for $30 or $40, and they've been selling so quick. So anyway, guys, I have an armful of Victoria's Secret bras, but let me show y'all something because everything on this rack is Victoria's Secret. Look, this is Victoria's Secret. This is Victoria's Secret. Was this one? I don't remember if this one was or not. I don't think it was. No, that one wasn't. This one's Victoria's Secret pink. This one is Victoria's Secret. These 2 bathing suit tops are Victoria's Secret. This is Victoria's Secret. This is Victoria's Secret. This is Victoria's Secret. What's this? This little sports bra is Victoria's Secret. This one's Victoria's Secret. All of these bras are Victoria's Secret, guys. And so, I don't know why they sell so good. But then I started thinking about it, like, bras are really expensive. So, if someone can find a bra, like, really expensively, they're going to do it. So, anyway, guys, these are all of the ones that I found. I think I have about 8 here. These are all the ones that I found that are Victoria's Secret. So, most of them are the same sizes, so I'm gonna be getting these in addition to the other stuff that I got today. This one used to be lit, right? Like, they used to have so much good stuff in there. But nowadays, I think that the people that work there be holding the good stuff for themselves. And, like, honestly, can you blame them? Because if I worked in a thrift store, like, I thought about getting a job as, like, a manager there just so I could, like, get stuff for cheap because, bruh. I seen a video where the guy was, like, talking about how he flipped couches. This is only $40, and then this one's probably, let's see, $60, so $100 for both couches. You could easily sell them for like $500. At my second Goodwill of the day, I was gonna keep going to CHKD, but they be pissing me off. Sometimes they don't really have good stuff. So I'm in here. Also, guys, when I was coming in here, I seen this lady with a big gold mirror, and I literally was about to cry because I really, really wanted that mirror. I wanted to say, how much do you want for that mirror, girl? It was a nice gold mirror. And I started to come to this one first, but I didn't. This coffee table is cute, but they want $30. I just bought one the other day for $8 for one of my clients. Okay, guys, so I was trying to like record videos and shop at the same time, but it got to be a little bit difficult. So I'm just going to show you guys the last couple of things that I picked up at the thrift store. And make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm also going to show you guys what sold this week on Facebook Marketplace. I've been selling a ton of things. So guys, I found these little cherub candlestick holders. I looked on eBay and there was lots of different listings for them. So I think these are pretty popular. I got them for $2 for $4.25. It looks like, I don't know where they came from before. But anyway, it has like a minor chip right there. So if they don't sell in gold, what I'm going to do is end up painting them white. As soon as I paint them white, they'll probably sell. I also been selling a lot of dishes on Facebook Marketplace, guys. So I got these folk craft dishes. The bowls were 2 for $2.25. So I got 2 of the cereal bowls, 2 of the salad bowls for $2.25, and I got 4 plates for $4.25 or $5.25, I believe. So I listed them all together as a set for $65. They're from like the 1990s, and this brand is discontinued. So I have these posted on Facebook Marketplace. Guys, I also have this beautiful mirror. It's made out of glass. And it looked like somebody started painting it and maybe just like got tired, or maybe they were going for like a distressed look. So what I'm going to do is take some of my white paint and kind of touch it up. And then go ahead and list it on Facebook Marketplace. I believe I paid $5 for this mirror. I'm going to try to sell it for probably about $60 to $70. Mirrors you're able to get a lot for. This French bulldog is ceramic. It's in a glossy red color. I paid $8.25 for this, and I seen it on Amazon for $100, so I just have it listed for $50. I think it'll be really cute in like your garden, or it even looks good in the kitchen. Like maybe you have a French bulldog, you know, maybe you have a bookcase that needs some decor. Something like that will be great. And then I also got this cute coffee mug. It's like in a pink marble. It says wake, pray, and slay. And I paid $1.25 for this, and I have it listed for $12 or $13, I think. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this thrift with me video. If you want to see more, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.